So here we go with the power up, first power of the board being swapped over into the old case. We are going to have to set the BIOS. Just generally take a minute to, good news there. So we've got alert HD fan failure and keyboard failure. HD fan failure is because when it was in small form case, the fan was underneath the hard drive, so that's just something in the BIOS that needs turning off. So we're in the BIOS. First thing I want to do is go and find the temperature, if it's in. Let's just find it. It probably makes sense just to start at the top and just work through these, so that's fine. Processor, there you go. So you can see here that we now have the 5400 in. Before it was 3200, I think, maybe. You can see there 2.8. Memory information 4 gig, 800 megahertz. The original board had 400 megahertz or 600 in, if I remember rightly, and only a gig and a half. That's all fine. Time and date's fine. Boot sequence. You will need a CD drive to be first, but you can select that manually, so that's not an issue. Drives, onboard devices. Let's just see. USB controller on. Yeah, so that's fine. We don't really need the LPT part on. Video memory auto. Might as well put that up to 228. So it should be intrusion alert. There is a switch on the small form factor that I had got. There was a switch on top for the case lid being moved, so that can now be switched off. We don't need it. AC auto recovery, so it almost bypasses the switch on the PC and just uses the switch on the back. So if the power goes off, you don't have to then open the coin door and power the system up manually. We want that on. Auto power on. I can leave that. Low power mode off. Remote wake up, we don't need that. Cool and quiet we'll leave off. And keyboard errors do not report. Save and exit. See how Big Hunter Pro is loading. It may flag up a dongle issue. In a minute or two, it takes a while to load. My dongle is a bit broken. It's been hot glued back together as the outer USB metal part had come off. So it is glued together, but it does work. It's just sometimes it's an in and out job with the USB stick. So we don't need to test to cancel. So that's down into here. Test to cancel. Gun tracking, and now start to exit. And I've gone and forgot to go and plug sound in. I should all these in at the new board, so hopefully there we go, all fixed. So all we need now is 2 new guns from Suzo Hap, and we've got generally a pretty tidy machine.